Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore another powerful component, the video component. In the editor view, open the Components panel and search for Video to get started. Want to boost engagement on your page? The video component makes it easy. It allows you to embed videos seamlessly into your layout, helping you capture attention instantly. In the Video Properties panel, setup is simple. Just paste your YouTube, Vimeo, or direct MP4 link into the source field. You also get full control over playback behavior. Enable autoplay for background videos, toggle player controls, turn looping on or off, and choose whether the video starts muted. To ensure a perfect fit, you can adjust the aspect ratio so the video aligns beautifully with your layout. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your pages more dynamic and engaging.